And one thing what Vibes Cartel do, we may not see Alkaline do yet.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Vibes Cartel ever post woman and post all him baby mother and him post all see them and him something there. You not see Alkaline post no girl. Me I tell you that. That's one thing we teacher do with Alkaline now follow and that him fi follow.
Let me move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, how we the latest news them lock.
And you don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, so we say, Necko fire run out and attack a bag of baiting. I remember say from wedding, you know. Seeing and people, remember this. Go get the album, buy the album, stream the album, NTP, no pussy test. You understand? It a mash up the place, people. You see me? No matter what the haters want, say the music tough. So just go listen it. Listen to your car with the bass. Listen to your house with your boombox or on the TV with big speaker. Trust me, I go hear it. It a go connect. You understand? But we hear Necko fire say something. From where there is me, I try use some people for try. And then I try style of Gaza thing or I try. You see me? But you know him go already things. But look what I want.
Tell about Alkaline 9. When man say she 18, but him never check the age. She said she 18, but him never check the age. Alkaline not touch no pitney. Alkaline purposely put that line there in his song because he want people talk. Morally, it wrong. But remember say Alkaline now no morals. Remember say him say body wash. So morally wrong, but him purposely put that line there in there because he want people cuss and want people chat about him. Him is the student of controversy. Alkaline is the student of controversy and Cartel is the teacher of controversy. Alkaline study Cartel. Cartel is the teacher, Alkaline is the student.
Brother, but yo, me don't know that, like, me don't know how the comparison thing, brother. Bro, comparison thing, bro. Like, first of all, brother, you cannot give a man copyright to controversy, bro. You understand? That's not a problem, dog. Una see it in a wrong way. Controversy been there long time, brother. Sometime in life, a way how people hate you. So when you do things, it a cause a controversy. And them a go try say something bad towards what you do. You understand? That little line there with Alkaline, seeing, you wouldn't understand it. But him do that for make the people them talk. Because you know how people stay already, them just grab the negative and just start run with it. And then people are going to know what him saying another line. Yeah. You understand? What him saying? But many artists singing a song worse than this. You understand? Worse than this. You see it? And there's many understanding with it. But you see, because the Alkaline, remember say the hate been a start, you know. From him shows to him album, now to this song, what they call Wet Wall or something like so. They might try pick up, yo, the man them do a whole live about the one line. And some dancehall art, some other artists in a dancehall, many artists in a dancehall have some line in them song. But them not to say nothing about it like that. But you see, because of Alkaline. Yo, let me tell you, man, right now, brother, Alkaline, yo, the man I most hated dancehall artist ever, brother. Me I tell you that, bro. Me I talk about both local and international, dog. Me I tell you. Me see youth sell out Barclays. And he hate where they youth. The man them pull up ticket, this, that, rare ticket now sell, ticket for $40, ticket for $30, everything. Till the whole world. All of the people, most of the people them go Barclays Center, see what go on. And them were there, they will enjoy themselves, see what go on. And I say, yo, what is them a hear, them a talk about the youth and all of them little thing there. Yeah, man. But it show you, to me, Alkaline expose the society of hatred, bad mind, and some ungrateful people. Because if the youth are not in a nobody eyesight, seeing the youth not talk, him not do social media, and for the hate they for this youth so. Trust me, it exposes personality and mindset of people overall. Because you hate somebody so, where you not see every day, him not mingle with people, him not talk, him not do nothing. How you do that? Or you just get up and hate somebody so. See? How you hate? Because you can give your opinion on certain things, you know what I mean? So you hate. But you see when you go tell lie, if you bring young artists, when you go say you ticket cheap and a $30 for him ticket, and I say you show now go sell out and all of them look at it while when you don't know the facts. You understand? Because Alkaline couldn't know about arena numbers, you know. arena tickets and pulling up things and learn different shades of blue. You understand? Alkaline, me couldn't know that, you know. You see, because the hatred. Me never see so much people pull up one arena show to check if one artist ticket a sell. Imagine them say, yo, this nah sell out, it a go flap. You understand? And imagine this a youth and in nobody eyesight, him not trouble nobody. But it's sure wanna say, you see the corruption and the mentality we wanna have. Yeah man, I see him so when we do regular people, one or two know in a society and bring them down. You understand? Show them I know your favorite or your friend. Yeah man, I saw me see it.
So Alkaline will always say something and do something to be controversial. So we just get that out there. Alkaline album is okay. And Alkaline don't have no big hit song for the album there. That's why I'm saying in previous video, the Alkaline album okay. But everybody will rile up themselves about that. Alkaline not touch a picnic. And one thing with Vibes Cartel do.
You know, say more than one time I hear this. Alkaline not getting a big hit song. Dancehall space don't really listen to music, you know. Them listen to hype with music. That's what they listen to. They don't listen to music. You know, like a producer will sit down and just listen to music and in a studio and you hear the beats and the beats and everything and the flow and the lines and everything. Them not do that. Them just run with some nostalgia thing like hype. You see me, all of these things. Same like DJ Mac Rhythm, a bag of artists and yeah, them thing they them really run or some little TikTok thing, hit scratch, pitch scratch. You understand? These are the things them work with. Them listen songs, them don't listen to metaphors, them don't listen to flow. No. Most of them, when I say the album Ray, I just hate the artist. Them just hate the artist. Cause them just listen. You must say a regular song this Ray. Them just a hate. You understand? Hate them a hate. Cause some artists where you see them a prep up. Them not sing this type of quality song, yeah. You understand? And a hype thing them a run with. You see it? So me don't know what I mean by him no know. No big song now fall for them. Like say, brother, music, me see enough music in a dance all 1 year after it go big. You understand? Enough time it go big. Music now as it drops, so it just tush. Brother, most of the time I hype on the use, you know. Hype on the use, bro. You see me, I make it seem. And sometimes when you hear some song and it hot up Jamaica, but when it go down in the world and artists are singing to the people, them don't know what is. Them don't know. And that uno seems. Because uno listen a total different thing with hatred. You understand? When the world listen to it, it's a different thing. Because remember, saying Jamaica alone support the artists, you have the world out there. So uno might, you know, no feelings and not hate on the album, but the world it out there in the world I listen to. Cause, brother, the album a chart. Saint Kitts #1 everywhere. The whole Jamaica it up on the charts, everything. People are listen to it. You understand? Me a pass, me a people a play. It a mash up the place. But you don't know certain people are going to eat it and all of them look at thing there. But let's see what go on.
Women don't see Alkaline do yet. Vibes Cartel ever post woman and post all in baby mother and him post all see them and him something there. You not see Alkaline post no girl. Me I tell you that. That's a one thing what teacher do with Alkaline now follow. And that thing fi follow.
You see what I talk about? That's why Alkaline say you be an internet them run with, dog. Our internet, I be an internet them run with, bro. Pocket full of garbage spend that fast. People, me telling already. Me just tell you a while ago. Say I hype them people I run with. So, him just I say, what Alkaline no do is have baby mother and this and that in the media. People, them people no love music. That's why them say him not getting a song out of the album. A drama them people love. Yeah, internet controversy. Them not listen to music. You understand? Them not support music. Them not listen for support. That's why the Jamaican space the music not really buy. Because the music have to come with controversy and all of them thing there. But the world is a different place. People are listen to music just to live in music and him have him fans them and listen to it and everything. You understand? So, at that the space, cause them feel like say, oh, yo, this and that. Them not really know good music. You understand? Them not know good music. If I did feed them artists sing the same song with Alkaline sing, them would have said bad. Yeah man, them would have said bad. This stuff, this are hits. That's why I go about your Alkaline. But you can't stop the youth. Years now fight the youth, you know. And see the youth come sell out Barclays Center. You understand? You can't stop music, dog. So no matter what you want to say, people are listen. You understand? And one person can't give no statement and say, yo, This now go it. You don't have the angle. You don't have thousands and millions of people ears if you listen to. You understand? Yeah, man.
What's a girl? So Alkaline mash up the world and sell out in show. And Alkaline album NPT, their #1 on US iTunes chart. Alkaline are going good, man. But they don't tell me already, say, nah, I don't know what they want to see you would feel and I want you would show sell off. They tell them, say, I want to sell off and they sell off.
People, I nah lie, I want the most review album me ever see. Me say, well, YouTube, I talk about the album, I review it, I do this and I do that and I re. Me see how much album drop in a dancehall and nobody no pick it up. It the right front of them face, them don't even see it. But everybody listen to Alkaline album and have something to say. You understand? But in fan base, I go promote it and listen to it. You understand? I have people who love dancehall, we love quality music and listen what I go on and rate it. You understand? Because we know say who when I rate Alkaline I go really say that. You see me? Yeah. Because we don't see what I go on. The song them tough. It no matter what nobody want to say. Hatred can't stop music, you know. I tell you that. Because you can't control the world. You see it? Yeah, man. So, all you know attack, album tough. No matter what you want to say. You see me? But you not go see what go on.
They enjoy themselves. And the man releasing album and a #1 on the US iTunes chart. Alkaline are going good, man. They are going good. If album okay to me still. Yeah, man. Glad to see him back. Glad to see him back, man. All who that fight to you, to want to say down. I remember saying, no.
But brother, Necko Fire, you're a hypocrite, you know. Because the amount of thing you try to bring down, when the youth have him show a chill and you forward out and say, man, nah, pay artist them. The whole segment where you do, just because you link the man them never book you if you be a DJ. You are part of that list there, brother. The things where you are say. So nobody complain no hypocrite now. You understand? Because enough of you know, hype on the run with a certain artist, you know, brother. You understand? That you know deal with. You see it. Artists and friends thing on the deal with. Which artists no can get access to and all of them things. They are them artists they want to prep up. Not music. You see me?
Alkaline, come here, not talk about say man can't do it again and him making do it 2 nights in a row. The man not do nothing 2 nights in a row. Remember say, every artist will sell out arena. When them are the film age, them couldn't do it. Or I should say them never do it. So, call a spade a spade.
Yeah, man. Me hear the argument there. For real. Oh, make him do it again. People, the amount of goalposts when it comes to Alkaline move, right? The man them say, right? When Alkaline show put up, right? Be a goalpost. The man them say, him ticket a go cheap. The ticket now sell. Right? Now, it show sold out. Move goalpost now. What this? What him do? Yo, him ticket take 4 months to sell off. This, that, very. One bag of talking, people. One bag of talking, them have. Remember, you know, the youth in a Barclays 7 months before, you know, with other artists, you know. And the youth come do it by himself 7 months after. You understand? 7 months after a man come solo at Barclays Center. You see, the youth don't need to prove nothing more, brother. Because at his age, he might achieve what certain artists achieve at more older age right now. You understand? And how much of them really are headline such a huge show by themselves and do the show by themselves and dominate the show by themselves. Impact till yo, it a mash up a place. Fans them a say, yo, the youth do it. How much of them? You understand? So this solo thing and way and this, that. The man no need to follow nobody. The youth are move fast already. He might achieve things early than all other artists who don't achieve things early at an earlier age. Him still a do great. Him no need to do no back to prove to nobody. First of all, he was in there 7 months ago. You understand? Him no need to prove. The youth they are road. Remember, you know, the youth they are road every little thing and him still keep up that demand there. He might do more shows in America and him still keep up that demand if he come solo at Barclays Center. You understand? He might do shows at Jamaica, yes, and him still do it. It shows you the youth powerful. You understand? It's powerful. Him not have to follow when the next man a follow. For prove anything. You understand? Remember there's advantage why certain artists can do what them do. You understand? Alkaline do it without that. You see me? I will forgive the youth cred. You see it? And the other artists them will enlighten them show. Them are do it big for dancehall as well. But Alkaline I do where him a do. You don't need to follow no man. Because what him a do it great, him a set history. First young artist for solo Barkley solo and dominate it by himself. You understand?
The youth legendary. The youth legendary. So we don't argue with that now. To fight the facts now. Fight the facts.
Yeah man, me I tell the people. You see it? And nothing normal way you do. That's all me have to tell the people. Yeah man. But see a lady forward out to go to the show. And she say a bag of things. Yeah man, me I tell you. But listen what she say.
Live, but I want to go live. Alkaline show Saturday night was a blessing. It was nice. One-man band show. Get a break. Premium, give him a break. When that he could go change and come back. Alkaline is not following nobody. Anything any artist do, other artists did it before them. Yeah, come out the floor and everything. Other artists did before them. But you have some delusional people that refuse to give Alkaline his credit for what he did. He's a young kid. And some long time done out old man, they pan them live, I try don't play the dude. Remember you all have kids too. So when one of your kids and your son or daughter fall in an Alkaline shoes, being disrespected, being violated, let's hope you all could accept it and deal with it. Alkaline did good on his show. For him alone to be on that show for 3 hours and get one break by Premium and the Brooklyn band, he also received the key to Brooklyn or to New York State. Him still received the key, so I'm the key man. Better yet, him had a whole blood clot vaccine. He might get a whole on a headache, he might get a whole on a diarrhea, on a can't breathe and sleep. Yeah, such man was in prison putting out hits after hits, music after music, same yourself. Spiritually and physically he wasn't here, but spiritually he was, because he was still doing his shit from behind bars. Stop put Alkaline and such man in the same category, because they're not. Alkaline is in a league by himself. Him say Alkaline, it's a good water. Such man said that. You all out here just knocking fix on TikTok for a lion and a tiger. Y'all might get a beer too as well. You know, y'all need to stop it. Leave the dude alone, he's a little kid. He might do him thing and he might do him thing and it's a long time. Yeah, the man said the only time invent is when it's time to invent. Yeah, him up on the phone, I give him financial advice. Say I'm making money. Him not prove nothing to nobody. Him not lease nobody care and come show it and do like a few care. Cause all of them care and all of them think they want to see them lease. Market still a pay. Lease note still a pay and a your car, a lease and a lease it. Wanna leave the dude alive, I believe him not have to prove him riches and show him riches to Uno. Cause Uno is like a penny with a hole in it. Some of Uno live out on a car 24/7, passing all the time and on a car I go live. He's saying who you know it's who know you. Uno need to leave the boy, make him breathe, him did it, him sell out bank center solo. And him not want 2 nights at it, him not want 3 nights at it, 1 night only. 1 day, and 1 every year. Every year, mother say 1 man poke a full basket. And he get paid for the show. The show was him and CJ Miller. So him the lose a fee money, make a lose not Uno own. The show is between him and the lady. CJ Miller put it together. The dude have his peso. I'm fully loaded. And him not to prove that to none of the low life, pit toilet, blood clad, dirt bag, shit house. We love tell people to suck them mother. We don't need to go suck on their own family and eat on the mother on a platter with a knife and fork. Leave the boy alone. He might do it good and he might do it blood clot. Well, I didn't want a friend from him. No. 1 man band. I'm roll solo with him. Whoever I want to roll with him, I have an entourage behind him. I only make the boy stay the way him stay. Circumstances make him who he are. And I only turn Alkaline into the person who him is right now. Because I look home and him not going to that. Him not going to no credit. Him not getting nobody no advice. That's when they fucked up. They say, oh, Alkaline tell me to do it. No. Do the right fucking things. Fuck up on your own. Not because of him. But no, not fuck up on your own. You get me? I'm tired of Uno man. The man show the good, it's sell off, it's out of, it's all up. Stop compare him to the other man. Uno talk about him like every day, I'm not talk about Uno like not one day. Uno not shame. Can you imagine you all full of full of somebody that on the mind. I don't go to bed with alkaline pan on the mind and wake up with him pan on the mind. I'm soon dead and I'm asleep. Stop. Stop. Leave the boy alone. When it's a little bully. All of them people but on the boy case is a little bully. Y'all need to stop. And I can't bully him. Can survive everything. Want to put him down and save his. Him survive it. And then I go show out and show up more. I go die slowly. You see the recognition I get? It a killer now. And the recognition. One show and get all of that recognition. You're all dying. Bad man is a disease and you're not dead slowly. You know that? You're not dead slowly from alkaline success. From alkaline fame. Son, keep on doing what you're doing. The haters them is mad. One alkaline, one keep man, the old blood clot locksmith. I'm more champion boy. Boss to every blood clot boss, done for every done. Yes, and coincide with CJ Mill and keep that show. And you all big mad. Why you all big mad though? Be happy for the dude, be happy for the nigga. Celebrate him. Celebrate him and stop downplaying. Fucking piece of dude, you know? Yes. You know, one of them stagnant piece of shit where people shit and it can't go down, them have to put toilet paper for sink, you know. You know, one of them piece of shit that can't flush. Have to sink, you know, with toilet paper. Leave alkaline alone. Him do it. Him sell out the Barclays Center. Him sell it out, want it good. When they look to see the man get a flap thing for come debate about it. But there's no debate. He did that. He did fucking that. Saturday, March 21st was a fucking hit and not a miss. Never use a prison hype and not to forget them never have no entourage behind him. It was Alkaline in concert, guys. Alkaline in concert and Quirium give him that lunch break, go change and come back. And just a beat on the ground, beat on the blood clot. Come find another topic, man. Today Monday. Thank God say when I wake up and on our live. Today Monday. Give me a break now. On to the next one.